Right now we're at Taco Bell, eating ribs off the trunk that's in the trunk.
And I guess I'll play solo, even though it isn't even really fun. Things are just different. Ever since she said I'm gonna hop off.
Just run in the car. I'm not doing this whole route, bro. There's no way. In the front. Well, you better scrub my shit good.
Hey! Bro. Fuck yeah. It's right there. Oh, you got that. Pitiful. Good fucking shit. That was fucking nice. Fuck you on a Sonic right now.
Yeah, low-key. It helps me like
Straight up. Bro, what is this? Bro, you're thinking too much, bro.
I know.
Here, right here.
Big bird.
Yup.
Bro, you missed a nice ass front side flip, I'm not gonna lie. What?
No, he did a three sub. Oh, you almost got credit carded. But he got nut tapped. You heard that, folks? This is a run up. Bro, you just need to clear.
Wait.
That was, oh my god, dude.
That hard flip was
Yo!
fucking.
Alright, bro, come on.
Hey, cut the clip real quick. Back to fucking back!
Bro, why'd you make me fucking cut it, bro? Oh my god.
Bro, the clip is cut between us doing it.
First try.
Didn't fucking get it.
That was first try though, huh?
B flip after. Fuck.
Can we get a post-game interview?
Hey, that was.
Can we get a post-game interview?
Yeah, bring my boy over here too. How you feeling right now?
Finally. Like I felt like I didn't even try on it, to be honest.
Are you as sweaty as I am?
Yeah, but look at me. That's fucked up. My
Bro.
hair's getting all locked up like you, bro.
I think I locked now.
Alright.
Yeah, you're in the fucking video. The cameraman's in the video. Alright, boy, let's go. And this is first. We're gonna be... Come on, bro. take the lighter. Okay, look, he did land that. That's my brother, that's for sure. Around the whole fucking park, bro.
You know what?
And then 50 up. So just roll with me and just keep it good clip.
Oh, get the fuck out of the way, hell ass nigga.
Leave me alone.
Bro.
I'm reporting you, bro. Bro.
That skateboard is phantom and is taxing your food.
Just random taxing your food, bro.